Rajs Art and Craft. Art and Craft shop with arts and there.
Hi friends, I'm Jegan from Rajs Arts and Crafts. Today we are going to show in this tutorial 5 of 3D superimposed Tanjore painting how to stick the gold foil and remove the stones from the foil, and finally how to color them. My wife Dr. Mahalakshmi's tutorial 5 is coming on the way. Please watch till the end and kindly subscribe this channel. First, there are two types of gold foil, and this one is the pure gold foil 23.5 and 22 in that it is available, and this one is an artificial gold foil where there is a film in it, so you have to remove that film and then only use it. And original gold foil, there are two shades, that is 23.5 and 22 carat is available. In artificial foil also there are two grade and they differ on the thickness of the foil. The step 1 is you have to measure or mark the area of the foil on the board. First, roughly you have to measure it with a cloth, then with a scissor you have to cut it. You can store these small bits, which is very important in filling the gaps. The second one is you have to apply Arabic gum either on the foil or on the board. If you are a beginner, please apply Arabic gum on the back side of the foil. The back side of the foil is a paper only, so that it is not a metallic structure. So you can see how we are using that bits also here inside. And step 3 is the most important step, that is punching. You have to just punch the foil with a soft cotton cloth or a banyan cloth, and after that you have to use the emboss tool and emboss it, so that you will be getting 100% elevation of the foil on the design. Please don't rub the foil. Even with the cotton cloth, some people they rub the foil on the designs. What will happen is the gold in it comes out directly. So this is a main mistake many of my customers are doing, and they complain that the foil quality and the thickness of the foil is not good as the foil is coming out. It is for them. Please don't rub the foil, just punch gently. And step 4 is cut the extra pieces, and this is the art knife, and this is mainly used in cutting the extra pieces of the foil outside the embossing area. And now step 5 is layering the new foil from corners of the old foil. That is, when you are sticking the next foil, make ensure only the corner of the new foil is sticking to the another corner of the old foil, not on the mid of the old foil. So when you do like that, you can reduce the wastage of the foil, and also there will be a proportionate sticking on all the corners. And since this is a 3D embossed Tanjore painting, when measuring and cutting the gold foil, you have to cut a 1/4 inch extra gold foil. Then only you can also stick the base of the embossing area. You can see here in this Trivachi we are sticking the side base also because of the extra 1/4 inch cut foil. And this extra 1/4 inch will also go inside the bends, shallows and also bumps on these areas. You can see in this beadum, all the bumps and also the shallows are also filled up with this extra 1/4 inch cut foil. Let me start the queries from my customer. The first one I usually get is, when I am sticking the foil with the cloth, when I am punching correctly, the foil is coming, that is the gold on the foil is coming, just showing the paper on it. What is the problem? Then I was thinking about my customer and asked her to share the photos also, and after sharing her photos, then I came to know that when you are punching the foil, please make ensure that you have to punch only on the gold area. When you are punching the corner area of the foil, you have to be very careful, that is double careful, because the Arabic gum on the corner of the foil or the board may stick on the cloth, and the cloth which has the Arabic gum in it, while you are punching on the foil, the center of the foil, then it will eat away, that is, it will take away the gold from the paper. This is what happened to that customer, and finally she was blaming the foil, and then I told her the solution, and then she recovered it. In this Tiruvachi phase, we have used some bits and pieces only, not the full foil. So only it will cover all the ups and downs of the face of Tiruvachi. Don't worry, even you can cover the teeth of the Tiruvachi. After that, you can color it. The next query is, will poster color stick on the foil for a long life? The answer is, when you apply poster color on these foils, they stick as usual as they stick on the paper, and even when you take a cloth and wipe it, it is difficult to take away. And the life of the poster color on the foil is also very good. We have experimented and we have got very good results. Step 6. For all the small areas, please use bits, not the big foil, and don't waste the foil. Small areas, and you can even use the brush backside also in order to paste it if your fingers are not reachable. The next query is, what is that 22 karat foil and 23.5 foil that you are selling in our store? Both 22 karat and 23.5 are of very good quality, and they are made of pure original gold. You can even check it in a nearby gold checking machines. Because they are made of full gold, they are also quite costly. And 22 karat is somewhat a yellow shade, and 23.5 is just a small bit of pink shade is there. That's all. When you compare the both side by side, there will be a slight variation only, not a big variation of shades. And we recommend 22 karat for all the artists and those who are doing commercial paintings like that, and 23.5 where the gold is heavy, you can use it for your own purpose, that is, those who are using for their own self, they can use this 23.5 foil. This is our suggestion, but you can purchase as per your wish. The normal size of 23.5 and 22 karat foil size is 3 by 4 inch size, that is 3 inch length and 4 inch breadth. If you are using a small picture or small board, that is 12 by 15 or 16 by 20 like that, then you can go for this small book, and where you can use it for small bits like this, and also the wastage is also very less when using in the gaps, etc. And each book has 25 sheets, and we are not selling single sheets in our store, only as a book we sell. And you can see, and now you can see this Tiruvachi is getting its final moments, that is, it is glittering like a gold after application of this foil. For all the bends and also the crooked area, you can use the small bit pieces than the big large pieces. You can use large pieces on the corner. You can see here we are using these large pieces, the same as jumbo foil, that is 6 by 4 inch foil you can use. If you are using a board size of 24 by 36, 48 by 24 like that, a big size, a chart size board, then you can buy our jumbo, that is 6 inch into 4 inch original gold foil. Now the gold foiling work in the Tanjore painting is complete, and now we are going to remove the stones, and this is the special tool that we are selling in our shop, and this is the square tool. It has 9 different cutting wedges in it. Each tool is coming with a gap in it where you can put a string and clean it. When you just press it, you can see the impression, the same impression you are going to get it cut on the foil. Just you have to put a front and back motion so that the foil, all the corners get cut easily. And the second most important thing is, if you are taking a 6 mm stone, then you have to take the lesser size, that is 5 mm. It cuts only the upper edges of the foil, and after that with a ball tool you can remove it. Let's start step 7. Now let's see, with the help of a wet brush, just apply on the foil, and after that, and this is the 4mm tool cutting the 5mm square. After that you have to put a front and back pressure on these stones with this tool, and you can see here all the four sides are cut easily, and with the art knife or a embossing tool you can just easily cut it, and without any extra pressure the corners, and you can see here how lovely the stones have been removed. This is another technique for foiling the corner stones. So in this video we are showing many techniques, and this is one where you have to measure the corners of the stone, then you have to cut the in between pieces like this and paste it with the Arabic gum. So doing like this on all the intervals will give a regular and continuous foiling of the cornerstones. This is another query: can I use square tool for completing the stonework? No, you can't. You have to use art knife or emboss tool. This square tool gives a ready-made cut which helps the art knife to easily take out the foil neatly without any damage on the corners. So you can see here how we have put this bits and pieces technique here, and it is also working out very nicely. And in this is an emboss technique, so we are putting on the sides of the corner also the gold foil. And this one is also the fastest moving tool in our store for Tanjore painting, and this is the round tool. This is from 2mm to 12mm it's available. So you can see here how it is cutting very nicely. We have added some water in it on all the upper sides of the stone, and just by twisting it, it takes the stones easily. This is the very easy technique. Keep in mind, if you want to cut 7mm stones, please take 6mm tool, and this is coming with a lovely pouch and all made in India only. And this tool is the emboss ball tool. You can use this instead of an art knife in removing the round stone or the square stone. Just you have to put an wet brush on the upper side of the stone, and just you have to swab it. The foil get removed, but it is not so neat without the round tool or square tool. Now you can see here the crown of Meenakshi is getting ready with the foil. Here also we have used bits and pieces. You have to gently push or dab it, not rub it. Again I am telling, we will drill it and place AD stones, which we will be showing in the next video. Please subscribe our channel. And the next query is, can I use Fevicol instead of Arabic gum? My answer to this is a big no to Fevicol in Tanjore painting for sticking gold foil. Please viewers, kindly don't use Fevicol in gold foil for making Tanjore painting, because Fevicol is an artificial gum which is prepared of many chemicals. Those chemicals will react over time on the foil. This is a pure gold foil that is very gentle and delicate. When that harsh chemicals are reacting over time, that is after 5 years or 10 years, that will fade away the gold in it. What I am telling is, some discoloration will happen in years, not immediately. Discoloration in the sense some darkening, or the color of the gold may turn copper. So only I request all my viewers to paste gold foil only with the natural gum, that is Arabic gum. The gold foil is also natural, and the Arabic gum is also natural. The Arabic gum water is also natural. So all are natural, so there will be no discoloration, and your gold will also not get damaged soon. So you can see here, even in these gaps you have to put the small bits and pieces like this, and after that you can paint it. So even after 50 years or 100 years, your gold will be same as pasted when you are pasting on the first day. The first one was moon shaped stone, and this one is oval shaped stones, and these are all the mango stones. And most of the stones that we are selling, we have put in this Meenakshi for your reference. You can please reply in our comment section how they looks. You can also keep round stones and square stones also and fill this, but these type of different shaped stones give a uniqueness to your paintings. And all types and sizes of kundan stones, and also the tools used for removing the stones is also available. Just WhatsApp us and get it easily. Next query is, can I use artificial gold foil, and if I use it, will it fade away? Artificial gold foil is especially we are recommending for beginners and those who want to sell cheap and best Tanjore paintings. Those beginners who want to learn Tanjore painting, they waste a lot and don't want to invest more. For them, you can use those artificial gold foil where they are quite cheaper, and we have experimented and seen that artificial gold foil doesn't become black. In our store there is a Lakshmi 20 years old made of artificial foil, and it has not become black till today. So don't worry, you can use artificial gold foil without any fear. Gold foil work and stone work is finished, and now we are going to color the gold foil. For coloring the foil, here we use Rotring ink. This is a red color Rotring ink, and the pen is complex pen. It is available in 5 different sizes. You have to check it before use, and we have put a separate video of how to use this complex pen and Rotring ink in our Tanjore painting playlist. And here you can see one side we have put a lines, and other side of the Tiruvachi is without line. You can see the difference of the foil, how it looks. So only when you draw lines on the foil work becomes complete, and for that we are using this complex pen with Rotring ink in it. Rotring ink is very dark, and also the life of the ink is also very high when compared to the normal drawing ink. You can also use gel pen or OHP marker like that at the beginner level, but this Rotring ink and complex pen gives a very good result. That is, the design work or the relief work is highlighted only with the help of this Rotring ink. So every stones, every designs, even every comma, strokes, all should be filled up. This Tiruvachi was not that much of visible before drawing, but now it is 100% visible after this design work. Here we have used 0.4 number pen and the black color ink, and you can use 0.5 for shading effect. And next query is, why gold is used in Tanjore painting? Can we use silver foil or aluminum foil like that? Gold means positivity. So when you worship that gold in a puja room, you will be lighting a light in the puja room. That light, it illuminates the positivity of the gold in your paintings, and full room is enriched with positivity. So thereby when you worship that same gold in a positive room, your mind will also become more positive. This is a fact. With this pen you can highlight the teeth of Tiruvachi also. So please use original gold foil in puja room. If you are keeping your paintings in a kitchen or a drawing room or a gifting it purpose, you can very well use artificial gold foil. For worshipping, please use only original gold foil. So with 0.5 pen we are showing the shading effect. With the red ink we are shading. You can see the shading of the sari border, how it lovely looks. So we have got a very best results with this Rotring ink. You can use red color, green color, blue color, or even white color is also available. This is burnt sienna camelin drawing ink, and this is an optional only. There are many colors in it. So this color is most widely used in Tanjore painting. They are also using red color, green color, blue color also in borders. So the main purpose of using this burnt sienna ink is that it gives a great clarity for your gold foil work. That is, the dark and light shades are visible in one single painting only with this burnt sienna ink. I have put a separate video. Kindly check the Tanjore painting playlist of our channel. Tanjore painting classes are also taken in Madurai. For all Tanjore painting materials, just WhatsApp us, and also you can buy all the materials from our 2 websites. Waiting for your valuable comments. Kindly like this video if you feel very informative. Please share it to your students, friends who want to learn this Tanjore painting art. And we are also selling a CD full of Tanjore painting 3D emboss work. Kindly subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.